Okay, I've called my turkey, and so here she comes. Good girl. The heavy-ass phone. Here you go. Here you go. Touch her today. Here you go. Oh, yum, yum, yum. You have something on your neck? Somebody bite you? Hope not. Just gonna eat just the peanuts. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you look like somebody tried to grab your neck. Just trying to give her a little room and get the branch out of my hair. You're a pretty girl. I don't know what that is on her neck. I don't think she's had that. You look like you're far away. You and I are closer than that.